What is up, YouTube? ThriftSchool over here, and we actually brought some bags for a change. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, we got a whole bunch of video games. Ooh, yikes, 20 bucks. That's not good. 8 bucks seems a little high. 15. Oh, I hate seeing that. Not looking too good on the prices today. Minecraft, 20. Ooh. SpongeBob, 6. Sometimes these games are a quarter of this price. Sims, 8. WWE, 8. Oh, I don't think they're gonna sell many of these at these prices. They're gonna sit here for a little bit. 8. Yikes. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at that. 2 Super Mario Bros. I bet you they're 20 each. Yup. 20. 20. Man. I got stoked seeing all these here, but everybody's just passing them all up. I'm sure they're passing them up. We got a sealed game right here. It might have some value. We'll look into it. Alright, what else do we got? I see Mario Galaxy 20. Ooh. 10. Ooh. Not good. 20. I think they just pushed these out. So we could go through some of the CDs, 99 cents each. That's good. Got some Blu-rays here, 4 bucks. That might be good. Then we got all this media right here that we'll go through. We got some Blu-rays down there, a bunch of sealed stuff. So I'm gonna start scanning. All right, so we're gonna go check out the games and toys. I did end up finding a bunch of DVDs that were worth it, so that's nice. The video games are crazy though. I'm hoping that the prices on the toys and games aren't crazy today. But usually when one thing is crazy, everything is. You never know though, you never know. See a cute little Blue's Clues toy right here. It's a moving, walking one. We'll look at all this stuff a little bit later, all the plushies. I want to look at all the toys with barcodes first for Amazon. And then we'll start checking eBay stuff. See if we can find anything in here. Got some figures for $3.99. That's kind of cool. It's a whole bunch of, I think, Star Wars figures. That could be cool. And a Spider-Man. We'll throw that in there for now. Alright, we got some other little figures here. I don't know what these are. They're only 99 cents. I see Barbie. Some Barbie clothes, I think. I'm not 100% sure what this is, but 99 cents. Probably can't go wrong there. What else do we got? $2.99. Nah, doesn't look good. Some Angry Birds stuff. I think that's the Star Wars Angry Birds set. Missing the box. What else do we got in here? Lots of random stuff. LCR, that's a fun game. Don't think we want that. We got a little Funko Pop right here. It's a Mario character. How much is that? 99 cents. Oh, there's some Pokemon in there. This could be cool for $1. What do we got? Some glue stick. I think that's just a Pokemon jail right there. Mario. Yeah, for $1, that's worth it. Alright, we got a whole bunch of stuff on the shelves here. What is this? A little Mariah Carey. 8 bucks. It's kind of funny. We got here Mario Bros. Puzzle. Resealed, so we'll leave that. They like to tape everything up here. Who knows? Maybe we'll find some cool games. Lots of different Funko Pop. And a whole bunch of toys right here. So, I bet you we could find some cool toys. Oh, we have a brand new Mastermind. That could be good. I think I'm gonna have to start doing some scanning. I'll show you if I find anything. So I'm going down the toy aisle, and it's the first time I've ever seen a sealed cereal box at the thrift store. It's Wheaties with 30th year of the Super Bowl. Still brand new sealed, but the box is super dented. Look at that. Best if used by November 1996. That's crazy. I have never seen cereal at a thrift store, but I think I'm gonna put it back. The box is a little too damaged. We're still looking, we're still scanning, finding lots of good stuff. So my cart over here is completely packed, as you guys can see. I just started going wild. I didn't really record anything, but I'll show you guys in a second. But I'm going through some of the toys over here, and it's a shame that All of these Funko Pops, 2 of them are worth some pretty decent money. I believe these, this one and this one. And I could have bought them to sell, but they put the sticker right on the box, so it might damage the artwork there. This box is completely wrecked. Not only do they put a sticker on a box, they taped all the way around to destroy it even more, so that's kind of a shame. I did get one Funko Pop that's in my cart, and this one was in a plastic protector, so it's in good shape. Let's see if I can find it in here. There it is, this Alexis Rose. It's $5.99, but there's a plastic protector on it, so it's in mint condition. Gotta love when that happens. But the cart is jam-packed. It's crazy. We are going to have to see if we can. Ooh, what do we got over here? A little Master Chief. I feel like I used to have this exact same mask, 99 cents. It's just a cheapo Halloween costume one, so I don't think anything good there. If I'm missing anything, definitely let me know. In this toy area, I don't really look at any of the toy trucks, any of the Hesses. I just don't like to mess with them. I'm not seeing anything else. There's a couple of these cool figures right here. Kevin Mawe. There's 2 of him. He was the center for the Jets in the early 2000s, I believe. Nothing great. We got back here a little baby Groot just hanging out. And yeah, is that a giant Funko Pop? It is in rough shape. It's missing a hand. Yeah, I don't see anything else when it comes to toys. Oh, actually, here's a sealed 3D puzzle. I've sold these puzzles before. Ooh, this one could be really good. What do they want on it? $10. I'll pop the price up so you guys can see if I think it's worth it to pick up or not. Hopefully it is. All right, so the cart is crazy. I found a few more toys. And we're over at the electronics right now, seeing if we find anything. Is this an iPad? It is an iPad. Odds are it's all locked up. 40 bucks. It's a pretty old one. I don't think that's worth it. We have an Amazon Echo here for 20 bucks. It's also a little high. We have a bunch of Nintendo Wii accessories for 6 bucks. That's actually not bad. I could use that. It's the sensor bar, all the cords for $6. I could use that eventually to complete a Wii, I'm sure. We'll slide that in there. What else do we got over here? Some random cords. I don't even know what that is. A little fan. Some fire alarms. I don't know. Is that a little plug-in heater? I don't know what a lot of this stuff is. I also don't know much about baseball gloves. These all look like smaller kids ones. Don't think anything good there. What do we got up here? A TomTom GPS for, I think it's like $6 because it's 25% off or whatever. I'm not sure exactly if yellow's 25% or not. There's a docking station for a Logitech Harmony remote. If the remote was in here, I'd definitely grab it. Those remotes can sell for great money. Always keep an eye out for them. Hopefully I popped it up on the screen for you guys so you could see what they are and how much they sell for. Don't think anything else in these little random baggies is gonna be good. So we're gonna have to check out the rest of the electronics. We got a bunch of power cords in there for 99 cents each. There might be some decent ones in here. We have a little Roku power cord for 99 cents. A BI switching power supply, not sure what that is. A Turk Technologies. This actually might not be too bad if I had the time to go through all this. Here's an Aris for a router, an Aris router or a modem, 99 cents. Man, people looking for replacement plugs. This is 99 cents. Oh, what do we have down here? A little calculator, TI-83, missing the battery, no price, okay. If something doesn't have a price on it here, they don't really sell it. No price on that one either, okay. Another calculator, no price, okay. Yeah, that's a shame. I was going through that with some of the board games. They just didn't have prices on them, and they will not sell them to you without a price. $2.99. We're gonna have to look into this. I'll scan that in. All right, what else do we got here? Some of these printers can be worth really good money. We have a HP PhotoSmart. I think it's brand new because the stickers haven't even been peeled off it, for about 25% off at $35. That might be worth it. This Brother printer WorkSmart series for $30 actually might not be bad. I have a few printers already, and I don't want these to take up so much space. Also, I don't really have room in the cart for them. Oh, but I do have room for this. I sell these Sonys, $3, that's nice. I sell these Sony Dream Machines all the time for about 25 bucks on Amazon. That's easy, super easy right there. Here's a Wii. I wonder if that's what all the power cords went to. 20 bucks, too much. It's in not the best shape. Actually, it's not too bad, but I have a bunch of Wiis already, so I don't really need it. What else do we have here? A lot of random. Here's a whole bunch of 360s for 40 bucks each. A PS2 Fat and an Xbox, 40 bucks, 40 bucks, 40. Everything's 40 bucks with no cords. Here's an Xbox One Connect. If it's like 5 bucks, I'll snag it. It's 10. Huh. I don't know if that's good or not. I think this is... I know they've come down in price, but I'll stick it here for now. We'll look into it in a little bit. Alright, what do we got over here? We have a Bud Light guitar for $70. It is in terrible shape. I mean, terrible, terrible condition. Missing all the strings. 70 bucks. Who's buying that? Not me. I got a lot. Oh, here's a long board. A Land Yachts. This thing is huge. I find longboards all the time, but never this long. It's in really rough shape though. We got here a skateboard. Kryptonics. I've learned that that is not a good brand. What's this? Kryptonics. I know that that's not good. So we'll leave those behind. I can't really fit much in my cart anyways, so it's kind of a shame. This is kind of nice. Pittsburgh Steelers. XXL. This thing is actually really heavy duty for 10 bucks. It's nice. I don't think it's $10 nice though. If it was 5 maybe. This is a cool Vineyard Vines. It's 8 bucks, double XL. It's got some cool design there. Got an American flag on the sleeve and the back. It's actually really nice. 8 bucks seems high though. I'm sure you can make money on it, but I'll leave it for someone else that wants to make money on it. Everyone gets lonely. That's a sad shirt. I want a big, cool, vintage logoed sports shirt. Oh, sorry. And not seeing anything like that. Brand new with tags, Nike. Meh. Lots. Oh, what's that? Hartford, Connecticut. Oh, it's just an auto body shirt. It's kind of a cool logo. So out of the corner of my eye while flipping through the clothing, I saw a backpack. Oh. So out of the corner of my eye, I saw a backpack right here. I never really sold backpacks too much, but it's a Granite Gear and it's a Blaze AC60. I know very little about backpacks. I saw the price of 20 bucks and I'm like, I'll just put it back. And then something in me wanted to look it up. So I looked it up and take a look at this. So today is the 3rd and just yesterday, one sold for $165. Here's one that sold for $82. That one sold for $76. Not sure why so low. $90. Yeah, there's a similar one for $80 plus 15 shipping. So I think I'm gonna take the $20 gamble and try to get somewhere near that. Pretty awesome. Going up and down these toy aisles again, I think I picked this place completely clean. Or at the moment, I mean, this cart is just jam filled. This is a nice little bolo for you guys. Golden Tee Golf plug and play. Maybe we could spin the cart around. There it is. It's brand new, sealed. Even used, this game can go for $50 plus, but brand new, it's well over 100. We got lots of other games, lots of sealed games, lots of open things. There's a few things in here. I mean, everything that I grabbed, I did not look into it to see if it's complete, so I'm gonna do that later. With the majority of these games being $1.99 or less, it's okay to take that gamble. Right here we have a couple $7.99 ones, but they are worth so much more. I think about $50 used. So, you know, I'm sure I could even just sell the pieces in here if it's not complete for about that. So I'm not really too worried there. Everything else is about $1 to $5. So pretty awesome. Here we got some cool little baggies of miscellaneous stuff. I got this really cool Star Wars Millennium Falcon right here for $2.99, and it's taped up, and I was shaking it. There's a lot of little pieces in here, so maybe there's a bunch of figures and toys. I have no idea. We also got a really cool Yingling hat. Brand new, with tags for $5. I see these selling on eBay for between $20 and $30, so that's an easy pickup. Why not? I'm very stoked with this haul, but it is cash only, so I have to go to an ATM, take out cash, because I did not bring this much cash with me, because I did not think I was going to be buying all of this. So let's go grab some cash, get this stuff home, and hope we have all of the pieces. All right, we are back home and everything is put out on the table and in these two massive IKEA bags that I brought with me. There's no way I would have gotten out of there in one trip. Oh, hey Newts, what's up? There's no way I would have gotten out of there in one trip if I didn't have these bags. I had to throw one of the bags on top of all the board games in the cart and then carry the other one in my arm as I went to the car. It was kind of a pain. Oh, what's up? What's up, kitty? She's cool. So somewhere. But yeah, so pretty crazy. I do not know if all of these are complete, so take it with a grain of salt. But when I do this at thrift stores, when I go and I fill up my cart without counting pieces, when of course prices are so low, we had these couple that were a little high, but the majority are $1.99, $2.99. There's a few in here for 99 cents. When prices are that low, I'm willing to take the gamble, and on average, if let's say I bought about 25, 30 games, about 3 to 4 of them are gonna be incomplete. That's just how it's been every single time, and I'm usually able to buy the replacement pieces on eBay to complete the game, and it costs me a few extra dollars. The price is so low that I'm paying that I can do that. Now, there are a few cases where I can't find replacement pieces or the replacement pieces cost too much, and I chalk that up as a loss. That happens to, on average, maybe 1 to 2 games per haul. So it's not that big of a deal. Super stoked about this. Lots of DVDs, lots of value here. I grabbed some other random things at the end before I left. There were 6 brand new sealed little games in here selling for about $12 to $13 a piece for $2.99. What a steal. I love it. We got some DVD, Blu-ray box sets, lots of crazy things, lots of baggies of miscellaneous toys. So these are going to be for a future video. I am stockpiling baggies of miscellaneous toys, and I'm going to basically wait until I have like 40 of them and dump them all on a table and go through them. It might just be a long video and it might be fun. I don't know. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.